No shields.
Phil, you're Irish, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see Marshall getting killed?
I'm just gonna assume you have red hair.
I do not.
Captain Obvious
Squad out anyway.
Anaconda getting into the station now.
I have a beard though. If you put the beard on, I'll forgive you for the red hair. Shut the f.
Shut the fuck up!
Smoke piece, are you fighting?
Yes, man, I'm fucking tanking like crazy.
Kalen's
Kalen's
shields are down.
shields are down.
I rammed him.
All of your wing is with you.
Oh, I have 3 people in my wing.
Who's not dropped yet?
Invite
Oh,
me,
they're all
Pisco,
dropped.
under 9,000.
I'm gonna try to drop on Wake.
Hey, just invite under 9,000. I'm inside here.
Okay. Give me a sec. Okay, invited.
Beacon's on.
Drop him. Who is the target?
Mike bearing is. Follow me, guys.
This is the best I could do, Phil.
Barbie,
Oh,
go down
other
there,
people
and,
dropped in into fucking wing of 4. Enio.
If it's not good Doki, I'm gonna downvote everything.
No, guys, we need to
Oh
focus
no.
hard. I'm leaving. I'm out of cells.
Okay.
Okay, that is good.
I'm gonna peel for you.
Going to the station as fast as I can and coming back. It's only 14 mm from here, so yeah, MMs. Oh shit, that was hard. Come on.
This is too much.
Coming back, resist.
I'm on NO with you.
Reloading right now and launching. I have to wait like 10 seconds for my shields back up to come back at least at 60%. Come on, recharge. Coming back. Launching.
Stick with Sputnik.
Yeah, Spot,
shit.
can you manage to stay inside of there? For at least another 1 minute, another minute.
Spud's got 3 people on him. I'm coming.
Man, if you have to wake, don't let him kill you. I mean, it's not a problem. Come on. Dropping. I mean, who's the target?
I'm on NO right now.
You. Dangerous is with us, right?
Yes.
And you.
Sorry, I just killed an assault ship.
Okay, one FDL down. I have another one on me.
And your shields
Soldat.
are almost
I'm
down.
coming back to under.
And your shields are down. Oh shit, who has Torbs? Great. Someone has Torbs.
Can someone help me out?
Coming to you. Coming to you right now. The DBS?
I'm coming to you. I
Fuck,
have
and you made it
2
out.
targets on me.
I'm coming back on you, Pipco.
I'm right near with dangerous.
DBS,
'Kay.
I see. And another FDL.
I hear people. I can hear people's
shit, it
voice.
was
That's
you.
good.
What the fuck is the target? Are they silent?
Yes.
Oh, I see him.
DPS is trying to high wake. Sputnik is getting focused really hard.
Fuck, Spot, why did you call for help, man? Shit! Oh, that, you can eye wake, man. You're not mass lock. Do it. Do it, man.
Just
Try.
come to us, come to us, come to us, come to us.
Yeah, come back to us. Oh shit!
God damn it.
They got him in the PP. Did they get you in the PP spot?
Sputnik, you're so calm when you're dying.